Hello SpiderPeeps. Well, a couple of years ago, in fact it was in 2023, looking at the playlist, I bought a Macintosh Plus, basically refurbed it and got it working again, which was good fun. I can't believe that was in 2023. I've given you almost a video every week since then. The next year I did this and I made this little circuit board because somebody in their genius had managed to get a Macintosh running, a Macintosh Plus running on an RP2040. So I designed a little board for it so we can plug a VGA card into it and a USB into it. And I've got another playlist about those that you can have a look at. What about buying a Macintosh Plus in 2026, 3 years later? I don't know. Then AliExpress. Right. It's not the same, but it could be. The Mac clock. Honestly, I saw this and I had to buy it. So yeah, this is a recent AliExpress. There's loads of different sellers selling this. So first thing, it's USB-C, both ends. Bargain. And look at this. Look at that. Lovely looking screen. It looks like a CRT. Wonderful disc. Slots. You've got the volume control. There's some hidden buttons there. I don't think those hidden buttons are on the Mac, but on this bit we can use that on a Mac as well, can't we, for a keyboard, to put a keyboard in. I did another video about that here, about designing a keyboard adapter, so you could use a PS2 keyboard in one of these. Don't know if you've seen that one as well. Cool, there'll be a lot of links in this description about all of these different videos that I did about Mac Pluses. But look at this, it's so beautiful. It's got the VGA ports, or well, actually not VGA, it's got the mouse port and the other ports on the back, 9-pin D pins. Looks like there's a, I don't know what that is. Is that a headphone? I can't remember. Got a switch that doesn't work. You've got the USB socket and this thing where we kept the battery in it. But yeah, I got this out of the box and I thought, I've got to show this to SpiderPeeps. First of all, let's turn it on. Where's the switch? Actually, this is the switch. It's a little floppy disk. So if I put that in there, hey, it max up. And if I turn that, you get a slightly illuminated screen. It's not that illumination. Let's turn the lights off a little bit. In fact, let's turn all the lights off. Yeah, it's LCD, I think, calculator, LCD watches. Single colour liquid crystal. Well, not even single colour. It's just backlit with the cells on it. And if you push some of the other bits, you get, obviously it's just a clock. So you get a time. Oh, it's got a temperature on as well, apparently. Little battery indicator. Does it do anything else? Oh, different type of time. And then that goes back to the main screen and there's an alarm on it as well. So we heard that noise when we turned it on. We heard its little rubbish speaker. All right. Another thing that made me laugh. Look at the two screws hidden under the handle. Exactly the same as in a real Mac. They've definitely thought about this. Will this screwdriver open them? No. Oh, we'll get into those, but not the ones at the back. Let's have a look what's inside it. Now, obviously, this isn't a real Macintosh. However, it's a very good model of one. They've been very careful not to put Apple on this. Let's get in that one. Will I just about get in there? No. I wonder if I can use this one. Yeah. My long screwdriver failed me because it's very small crosshead in here. So, and of course there's Torx screws on a real Mac Plus. I think that's done it. I love the way that, I mean, even the fact that the box opens the same way. I think that's it. Undid those two. Don't want to break it. Oh, there's a sticker on here. Let's remove that sticker. We'll come to the subject of stickers in a minute. Right. Got a feeling I'm going to have to spudger this. Only slightly ruined. I'll be able to heat treat that back in like I did on the another video that I did. So I think that's done it now. Is there a clip at the top? I think there's a clip at the top as well. Oh, there we go. All right, so what's inside it? So 18650. That's good. Oh look, there's a little tactile switch in the bottom of it. That's what powers this up when we push the floppy in. So what else was in the case then? I really should have taken it apart at the end, shouldn't I? So what else was in the box with it? Well, you notice I had the little floppy disk, which was the switch. This came without stickers. There's this stickers pack as well. So this got some lovely bits and bobs on it to make this even more Mac-like, if not Apple-like. So what I thought was really funny is that you've got the label for the back. The serial label from Wonderboy Innovation Design Co Limited. I wonder if this is a Kickstarter or something, I don't know. Back logo. Do you think that goes there? Yes, of course this should be an apple, but it's not. But it is the apple colours. Mostly. I think it's slightly different, isn't it, than the apple colours? The Mac clock there. Whoops. And there's something for the front, is there? Yeah, there's this little front logo. The stickers, I mean, they fit perfectly in the little indents as well. So this is it's not a Mac. All right, so it's slightly broken now. I need to leave it open in case I need to get it into it again. But yeah, it's still working. So what a great and satisfying little object. What else was in the box? Oh, it's a PCB. It's a Macintosh mini PCB. That looks almost like it was made to fit over there. What else arrived the same day? Yeah, this little touch screen for a Raspberry Pi. Yeah, so the video that I linked below, it's by Wells Riley. It was in that video that he spoke about this, and what he's done, he's designed this little circuit board so that you can replace this just LCD calculator style display with this. Well, it will be that way, I suppose. And then we put a Raspberry Pi Zero in it, and then it actually becomes a working Mac. And I think this will be a working Mac that's better than the Mac that I had on the Pico Mac. So I'm not going to do that in this video. I got this out of the box today and I thought I really want to share this. This is such a lovely little slightly damaged, well, I made it a bit more retro, of course, slightly damaged little device. So yeah, I might not do a video about me building this because Wells Riley's already done it. I'll link to his video below, but I just thought I'd tell you this was out there because this is a Mac Plus in 2026. All right, see you in the next video, Spider Peeps. Bye. Oh yeah, so this was, well, it's £19 now. I got it for £17. Of course, because if a lot of people are buying this, the price will go up, but there's loads of different sellers selling them. About less than £20 anyway, delivered, that was. And this touchscreen was a bit hard to get hold of, so this was quite a lot. Yeah, £25 for that touchscreen, so I hope I don't break it doing this project. Again, you can probably shop around for this, but I think this is getting a bit more scarce. A lot of people are buying it because of Wells Riley's video. They're going to put surge pricing on it, so yeah. And the PCB obviously was from JLC PCB because he very kindly shared the Gerbers, and that cost me about £4 delivered. And of course that means I've got 4 spare, well 3 considering the one I'll probably mess up when I'm making it. Sorry in last week's video that you lost audio on one side. I lost audio completely. and then I forgot to expand the audio that I record on my microphone anyway. So yeah, muck that up. Sorry, Spider Peeps.